In this lecture, we will learn about the basics of machine learning. Machine learning is a hot and trending topic in computer science. Put simply, machine learning allows computers to learn from data and use that data to predict certain results. We may have a machine learning program that categorizes images, or another program that predicts the price of properties for sale based on their size and number of rooms. The term machine learning was coined by Arthur Samuel in 1959, and he stated that it gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. There are four main categories of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and semi-supervised learning. Supervised learning is when an algorithm learns from example data and associated target responses. Unsupervised learning is when an algorithm learns from only examples with no sample responses. The algorithm determines the data patterns on its own. Reinforcement learning is when we give the algorithm positive or negative feedback based on its predictions that it uses to improve the accuracy of its future predictions. Semi-supervised learning is when we use a training set that has many of the target outputs missing, so it is a mix between supervised and unsupervised learning. In machine learning, data is transformed into information, and information is transformed into knowledge. Data is unprocessed facts, which could be values, text, audio, images, etc. Note that data is raw and not being interpreted or analyzed. The data is then interpreted and manipulated into information, which is meaningful, unlike raw data. Knowledge is when information is combined with inferences, experiences, learning, and insights. In machine learning, there are three main types of data: training data, validation data, and testing data. Training data is the part of data that we use to train our model. Validation data is used to frequently evaluate the model as it is training. Testing data is used once the model is completely trained. It provides us a way to evaluate the model by testing it with unbiased data. There are several properties of data. Volume refers to the scale of the data. Variety refers to the different forms of data. Velocity refers to the rate of data. Value refers to the meaningfulness of the data. And veracity refers to the certainty and correctness of data. In the next lecture, we will learn about tasks and algorithms.